love to garden, but I didn't get much of it done this year because we moved and then we spent most of the year landscaping our front yard. It's been quite the year. I even learned how to drive an excavator, and that was something that was not on my 2025 bingo card. But now I can say I do have that skill set, but I digress. Now it's fall and our front yard is finished, so we wanted to get our raised garden boxes put together and in place so that when spring arrives, we can just add some good quality garden soil to the top 12 inches or so of these beds, and then they'll be all ready for planting. We purchased these boxes on Amazon, I'll link them below, and then we got to assemble them. It took us a couple of hours, the two of us working together, to assemble one box. Once they were assembled, we transferred them to our garden area. We then placed the cardboard that this box was packed in the bottom of the garden box. We added some large rocks for filtration and then filled it about 2/3 full with just rocky dirt from our yard. I needed this garden box to have a trellis, so we just purchased this cattle panel at Tractor Supply. It was about $30. We installed the cattle panel and now we wait until spring. I'll post a picture of my inspiration and then a video on the reality, and we'll see how close we come. Thanks for watching.